Hello everyone, and welcome to the LG Craft YouTube channel. We are so excited to have you join our creative community, where we explore the wonderful world of crafting together. Whether you're here for DIY projects, crafting tips, or inspiring ideas, you're in the right place. If you enjoy our videos and find them helpful, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to create content that inspires your crafting journey. Thank you for being part of the LG Craft family. Let's get crafting. The rise of urban living and the increasing popularity of smaller homes and apartments present a unique opportunity for businesses focused on mini and small furniture. As more people seek to maximize limited space, there is a growing demand for compact, multifunctional furniture that combines style and practicality. This trend is particularly prevalent among younger generations, including millennials and Gen Z, who prioritize flexibility and aesthetics in their living environments. Businesses can capitalize on this trend by offering innovative designs that cater to the needs of urban dwellers, such as foldable tables, modular shelving units, and storage ottomans. One of the most appealing aspects of mini furniture is the potential for customization. Customers increasingly desire products that reflect their personal style and fit their unique space requirements. Offering personalized design services allows businesses to create pieces that cater specifically to individual tastes and dimensions. This could involve working directly with clients to design furniture that complements their existing decor or meets specific functional needs. Additionally, incorporating customer feedback into the design process can enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty, ultimately driving repeat business. The digital marketplace is crucial for any new business, particularly in the furniture industry. An online store can significantly expand reach, allowing you to tap into a wider audience beyond local markets. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon provide robust tools for entrepreneurs to showcase their products. Additionally, investing in an aesthetically pleasing website with high-quality images and detailed descriptions can help convey the value of your furniture. Utilizing effective SEO strategies and online advertising can drive traffic to your site, while engaging content on social media can build a community around your brand, showcasing lifestyle imagery and home decor tips. Today's consumers are increasingly conscious of their environmental impact, making sustainability a key selling point. By using eco-friendly materials and sustainable production practices, businesses can appeal to this demographic. Options such as reclaimed wood, bamboo, or recycled materials not only reduce environmental impact but can also attract customers seeking unique, artisan products. Transparency about sourcing and manufacturing processes can further enhance brand reputation, fostering trust and loyalty among consumers who prioritize ethical consumption. The growth of this niche market also opens up various job opportunities. As the demand for mini furniture increases, so does the need for skilled professionals in areas like design, marketing, and production. Interior designers can specialize in small space solutions, helping clients optimize their layouts with stylish furniture choices. E-commerce specialists are essential for managing online sales, ensuring a seamless shopping experience, and handling customer inquiries. Additionally, craftsmen and artisans who create unique pieces can find a niche in this market, while social media managers can help promote the brand and engage with customers through compelling content. Effective marketing strategies are vital for establishing a strong brand presence in the competitive furniture market. Social media platforms, particularly Instagram and Pinterest, are ideal for showcasing visually appealing products and design ideas. Collaborating with influencers in the home decor space can amplify your reach and introduce your brand to new audiences. Furthermore, content marketing, such as blogs or video tutorials on small space living, can position your brand as an authority in the field, attracting potential customers looking for inspiration and solutions. Engaging with your community through events or workshops can also enhance brand loyalty and foster a sense of connection with your audience. In summary, the mini and small furniture market presents a plethora of opportunities for innovative entrepreneurs. By focusing on customization, sustainability, and effective digital marketing, businesses can meet the growing demand for stylish, functional furniture tailored to small living spaces. The combination of unique product offerings and strategic marketing can create a thriving business that resonates with consumers seeking to enhance their homes without sacrificing style or functionality. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you found it inspiring and helpful for your crafting journey. If you enjoyed what you saw, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to create more amazing content just for you. We appreciate you being part of our LG Craft community, and we look forward to crafting with you again soon. Happy crafting!